Welcome to this library tutorial, which will show you how to search EBSCO. EBSCO Host is a multidisciplinary database, which means that it can search a wide variety of subjects. The things that we're going to go over today are going to be how to find articles, how to limit your search results to just peer-reviewed sources, how to limit the date range, and how to identify tools that you can use in EBSCO. So to reach EBSCO, we're going to go to the Rowan College of South Jersey Cumberland Campus Library website at rcsj.edu/library/Cumberland. Once we arrive at the library's website, we're going to look for the column labeled Research. Now there's two ways to access EBSCO from here. For the first option, we're going to click the link that says Databases. The database link is going to take us to an alphabetical list of all the library subscription services and databases. EBSCO starts with an E, so what we're going to do is go to the eDatabases tab located here. Once we click on that, we'll scroll down and we'll find EBSCO. For the second option for finding EBSCO, we're going to return to the library's website. We're going to look for the column labeled Research right here and select Databases by Subject. We're going to scroll down until we come to Multidisciplinary General Resources. We're going to click on that, and then we're going to scroll down until we find EBSCO. When you first enter EBSCO, it will automatically take you to the Advanced Search function. In EBSCO and other databases, it's often a good idea to start with the Advanced Search function. The Advanced Search function gives us more options. There are 3 search boxes instead of just 1. Also, under Search Options, I'm going to have a lot more choices. The first thing we're going to do is scroll down to limit your results. We'll see under there full text. We want to always make sure that box is checked. The reason for this is because EBSCO will index things called abstract or summaries, and that will not always have the article attached. By clicking full text, we make sure that we will also get that full article. We're going to come next to scholarly peer-reviewed journals. You want to check this box if you're looking for a scholarly article or peer-reviewed article or a juried article. Next, we'll come over to published date. This is where you can put in a date range. So let's say I only want articles that have been published in the last 10 years. I would put in 2009 and 2019. I'm going to scroll up now, and I'm ready to enter my keywords. I'm going to type in renewable energy, climate change, and United States. You may have noticed that while I was typing, it auto-suggested some things for me. It's always good to take a look at the auto-suggestions because they can give you other ways to think of searching. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit search. When I hit search, it's going to take me to my results. You can see here I have 313 results. On the side I can see what I put in. I can see I put in renewable energy and climate change and United States. And I can also see my limiters. I can see that I asked only for full text, only for scholarly peer-reviewed journals, and anything that was published within the last 10 years. In the middle of the page, I have my results. If I scroll down, I'll see that there will be an icon on the side that will let me know what kind of a source it is. So I can see here this is an article from an academic journal. I'm going to go ahead and select an article, and I'm going to take a look at collaborative approaches to local climate change and clean energy initiatives in the USA and England. When I click on the article, it's going to take me to the article and give me more information. First, I'll be able to see my authors, Damian Pitt and Alina Congreve. I can see my source, local environment. I can see that it was published in September 2017 and it appeared in volume 22, issue 9. I can also see what pages it appeared on and how many pages total it is. If we scroll down a little further, we'll find our subject terms. This is always a good place to look to find more ways to search. The subject terms are based on the article itself and what subjects are that are covered within it. Sometimes we'll see additional terms, such as geographic terms or author-supplied keywords. We'll then come to our abstract, which is the summary of our article. You will want to read this first before reading the entire article to find out if it's going to be helpful to you in your research. It's a lot easier to read the one paragraph than read that whole 20 pages. Now if we scroll up, we'll see off to the side here a link that says PDF full text. This is where I'm going to find the article itself. When I click on the link, it's going to open the article in a PDF viewer. And I can see here that it's a scan directly from the publication that it originally appeared in. So it will have the same pagination you'll have, the same font, and will have any images that have been included. Within the PDF, you are going to have some tools, which will either appear here at the bottom or here at the top. From here, this is where I can print the article or download the article. I'm going to go ahead and click on Detailed Record and show you some additional tools. Some of the tools that we have here on the side are Print, which will allow you to print the details that we have right here. We have Email. Email will allow you to email a copy of the article and also a copy of the citation to yourself. We have Save, which again will allow you to save a copy of the article and will also allow you to save a copy of the citation. The citation itself can be found here. When we click on Cite, it's going to bring us to a list of citations. As mentioned earlier, EBSCO is a multidisciplinary database. That means that there's going to be a lot of different ways to cite because each subject has a different citation method. First, I can come to APA and the citation there is done for me. I can just copy and paste it into my paper. I, of course, have to check the formatting, but all the information is there. Also, it has Chicago Tribune and MLA. These are some of the most popular forms of citation. Thank you for watching this library tutorial, and don't be afraid to reach out for help whenever you need it. We're always here, and we want you to be successful. If you have any questions about EBSCO or anything else, you can find more information here at our website. You can always call us or you can email us. Our contacts are also available here.